Now, what I want to say, I'm supposed to announce the winners now. Now, I've been around universities long enough to know, or to have seen many times, the dean of my school wandering the hallways for weeks before graduation, muttering to themselves, practicing names so that they don't get those names wrong when they have to present their degree on graduation day. And that's 2 weeks, 3 weeks before the graduation day, and they're already practicing. I've just been given this sheet of paper 20 seconds ago, so I'm going to ask for your indulgence, and please accept my sincere apology for what I'm sure are going to be mistakes in the names of the winners that I'm about to announce. So I apologize in advance. So I'm going to announce the award winners for each of the 4 technical sessions, and I might have somebody standing next to me to help me with the names as well. So the four technical sessions are Comparing and Contrasting Constitutional Models of India and Australia. That's the first session. The second session was Mechanisms for a Constitutional Amendment in India and Australia. The third section was Explaining Similarities and Differences between Constitutional Frameworks in India and Australia. And the final session is the extent of constitutional recognition of fundamental rights in India and Australia and future trends. So, starting with the first then, Comparing and Contrasting Constitutional Models of India and Australia, the first place prize for the best paper in that category goes to Christopher Piggott McKellar for his paper. So, congratulations.
The second best award for Technical Session 1 goes to Nishtha Arora. Technical Session 2, the Best Paper Award goes to Sanu Ranjan and Dilip Kumar. The recipient of the second Best Paper Award is Srishti Chaturvedi for Technical Session 2. Technical Session 3, Best Paper Award goes to Varad Skol and Raj Mohan. The recipient of the second Best Paper Award are Saksham Mahajan and Vaishnavi Iyer. The award for the best paper in Technical Session 4 goes to Anumeha Mishra. Can I have a round of applause, please? And the second best paper award in Technical Session 4 goes to Aridam Saha.
Can I have a round of applause for the winners, please? Owing to the undying motivation and encouragement of the faculty members and the students, the conference was a huge success. I now request the dignitaries on the dais to unveil the conference proceedings. As a token of appreciation for sparing their valuable time and gracing us with their presence, we would like to felicitate our guests. I would like to request Professor Dr. Shifali Raizada, Additional Director, Amity Law School, Noida, to felicitate Mr. Prashanto Chandra Sen, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. Can I have a round of applause, please? I now request Professor Dr. Aditya Tomar to felicitate our guest of honor, Ms. Geeta Luthra, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. I now request Professor Dr. S.S. Singh to felicitate our guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Prateek Jalan, Judge, High Court of India, Delhi. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? I would now request Professor Dr. D.K. Pandopadhyay, Chairman, Amity Law Schools, to felicitate our guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Chandrasekhar, Judge, High Court of Delhi. Can I have a round of applause, please? I would now request Professor Dr. D.K. Bandyopadhyay and Professor Dr. S.S. Singh to felicitate our chief guest for the evening, Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Gupta, Judge, Supreme Court of India. I would now request Professor Dr. D.K. Bandyopadhyay, Professor Dr. S.S. Singh and Ms. Vishali Arora to felicitate Dr. Paul Babi, Associate Dean, Adelaide Law School, University of Adelaide, Australia. I would also request Dr. Paul Babi to receive the token of appreciation on behalf of Dr. Lon Newdorf, Deputy Dean, Adelaide Law School.